Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add otter.ai with Microsoft Teams, right? It's very easy thing to do. I will show you and explain each and everything. First of all, go to Google and search here Chrome Web Store, right? And just you have to click on Chrome Web Store, the link here. On the top right, you will get this search bar. So here you have to just type here Otter AI and you will get on the first. So make sure you just click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to add to your browser. So if you're using a Chrome browser, it will ask you to add to Chrome. So just tap on it, click on add extension, right? So this is an extension. It is always available here, so it is already downloaded and you don't need to do anything. Once it get downloaded, it will redirect to you this page, which is basically the official otter.ai, right? And here, as you can see here, it is otter.ai is compatible with all these application as well as with the Microsoft Teams. So here on the top right, you will see this cube type extension. Click on it and it will show here. So just click on pin, so it will always show here, right? Now what you have to do, it's already turned on, right? So you don't need to do anything, right? You have to just install. And now here, go to new page and basically Microsoft Teams. So you can just have a video call with them or just a normal call with them. And whenever you will have a call, whether it's Microsoft Team, whether it's Google Meet, Zoom Meet, otter.ai will automatically start working on them, right? So automatically it will start taking your notes and everything, and by the once you end the call, it will again redirect to your new page automatically, and it will give you a full PDF, full summary regarding this meeting, right? So this is how you can do it, and it's very easy to do. As you can see here, if you just scroll down, it have explained you each and everything which I just explained you. It has just given them in a brief manner, right? So here it's very easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.